Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use lower thirds in Premiere Pro. We will cover the fundamental steps to integrate these professional graphic elements into your projects. You will learn to create, customize, and animate lower thirds, making your videos more informative and visually appealing. This guide will help you master the techniques for effective on-screen text, ensuring your audience receives key information clearly and concisely. To begin, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel in Premiere Pro. From there, select the Type tool to create a new text layer directly on your program monitor. You can then easily adjust the font style, size, and color to match your project's aesthetic. Remember to position your text clearly within the lower third of the screen, ensuring it is easily readable and does not obstruct important visual information. Now, let's customize your lower third. You can add shapes and backgrounds to give your text a more polished look, adjusting their colors and opacities. To bring your lower third to life, use keyframes to animate its appearance and disappearance, creating smooth transitions. Experiment with effects such as drop shadows or strokes to make your text stand out. Aim for subtle, professional animations that enhance your message without distracting viewers. Once you have perfected your lower third, you can save it as a motion graphics template. This allows you to easily reuse your custom design across multiple projects, maintaining consistent branding and saving valuable time. Simply drag and drop your saved template from the Essential Graphics panel onto your timeline. This efficient workflow ensures your lower thirds are always ready, providing a professional touch with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.